Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I will going to show you how to change the order of songs on your Spotify playlist using your Android device or iOS. This is an easy tutorial for 2024, so let's dive right in. To get started, open the Spotify app. Okay, so now you have to go to the playlist you would like to change the songs in. And then tap these three dots over here to select Edit Playlist. Next, tap and hold the three lines next to the song to drag it up or down to where you want it. Finally, tap Save at the top right to save all of your edits. That wraps up this tutorial. If you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Also, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.